Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce a very practical electric tricycle, Lazy Trike. It is a transportation tool suitable for all ages. Next, let's take a look at the details of the tricycle. It has a 48-volt 10-ampere-hour battery, an enlarged saddle with backrest, and a large capacity rear basket that can hold many things. It also comes with a differential front 350-watt motor. Its payload is 200 kilograms, making it easy for you to deliver. At the same time, we can provide customized services, such as put your logo on the tricycle, making it in different colors, or making it more powerful. In addition to these advantages, it also has a fashionable appearance and diverse styles, which can meet the needs of different groups of people. In short, tricycles are a very practical means of transportation that can be easily handled on both urban and mountainous roads. If you need an economical, safe, and environmentally friendly means of transportation, a tricycle is definitely your best choice. Welcome to leave your comments in the comment section.